going on, YouTube? Out here doing a little shooting today, testing out my new acquisition. I got a Polish P-64 made in Radom, Poland. This is a 9x18. Upgraded the springs with the Wolf springs. We got the 22-pound recoil spring, 17-pound hammer spring, and we got a new firing pin spring as well. So, first time taking this gun to the range, testing it out. Don't know how lined up the sights are. It does have an adjustable dovetail on the rear, so we're gonna find out. Just gonna brace right here for a couple shots and see where we're at. Gonna go single action. These have a notorious hard double action pull. Well, she's pretty money, as you can see there. I mean, I was aiming about dead center. Another thing I noticed would probably help to get some hearing protection on. We're out here at the outdoor range, Algonac State Park. I'm the only one here right now. Very fine, rudimentary sights on this gun. It definitely does have a stern kickback to it, even with that 22-pound. That's a heavy recoil spring that I put in here. Just to minimize the recoil. I shot this gun a few times when I was at some state land. And I thought, man, you know, the recoil ain't too bad. I don't know what these guys online are talking about, but man, after you shoot just a magazine there, yeah, I can feel it. That thing kicks straight back. Straight back. Right now we're just shooting some cheap Russian ammo. This was made in 1999. We're going to do another mag through here. Okay. She is a stern blower, I'll tell you that. She blows right back. Got this ammo pretty cheap on Gunbroker. It was about 37 cents a round. Not too bad. Oh yeah, she's a stern kicker. I also brought along with me today my Glock 19 Generation 3. This one I have a ghost connector in it, upgraded springs, maritime cups. This is the Ghost Edge 3.5, so there's no wall on the trigger. And it's gonna shoot some cheap Winchester white box, 115 grain. Full metal jacket. That's what we're going to be shooting here today. Just some cheap ammo. Don't have to have nothing too special. Nothing too crazy. I just figured, hey, you know, it's a Monday. And most people are working right now. I have Mondays off. So I figure, you know what, let me hit the range, go down to Algonac State Park, and see what's going on. A lot smoother shooter. Let's try some different stances here. I usually shoot Weaver. That's a lot smoother shooter right there. Totally different style of shooting. Slide comes back a lot slower on that gun than it does that blowback, it seems. Now got 10 rounds in here. We're gonna try our hand at some single hand shooting. Alright guys, we're going freehand. Now I might be shooting a little bit quicker than what you're supposed to shoot at this range. I think they say 2 or 3 seconds between each shot. You guys know how that is. Yep. Just out here. Figured I'd run a couple boxes through my guns. See what's going on. Practice makes perfect. It's always good to go out, get some shooting time in. Okay, we got that mag loaded up. 15 rounds. This P-64 takes 6 rounds. You guys can see this is just some cheap Russian ammo. Okay, back with the P-64. This is what I have been everyday carrying recently. In my little pocket holster here. J&J pocket holster, got that off eBay. So it's good to practice with it. This is a nice little pocket gun. I just put this in my pocket and carry it around. It's a lot easier to carry than the Glock. But it's a lot harder shooting than the Glock. You gotta watch out for the slide bite on there too. So I got the upgraded beaver tail on my Glock. You don't get no slide bite. She definitely seems nice and reliable. No malfunctions so far. Don't smoke, kids. It's bad for your health. But yeah, that's another thing I forgot to tell you guys about here is I got the Grip Force beaver tail on here. This is what the Navy SEALs use on their guns. The ones that are issued Glock 19s. 15 rounds. Ammunition starts to go pretty quick. We got 10 rounds of 9mm left here, boys. Go ahead and load that up real quick. Another thing we're going to make sure to do before we pull out is sweep up all the shell casings here at the public range. You want to make sure to clean up the mess. Decent amount of ammo left in the 9x18. A lot of cars creeping through here at the state park. Free shooting though. She's smoking. Alright boys, I'm going to wrap that video up here. Just wanted to get out here, do a little shooting with y'all, show you guys my new piece. Polish P-64. Won it for $362 on a gun broker. $50 shipping. Not a bad deal. A lot of these are CNR eligible as well. So go out there, check them out. Good old piece. Very similar to the Walther PPK. For the price, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching.